Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you babies are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video very beautiful and very stylish modern girls nail art ideas. Modern and stylish, you will see unique 40 plus attractive girls nail cutting designs. Lovely viewers, I have uploaded plain and printed nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art, and you will see in these videos 40 plus stylish beautiful girls nail cutting design. So viewers, if you like my videos, please watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of new attractive nail cutting designs. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, please download it my videos, and you like this one stylish nail art ideas, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. Top shining and stylish, you will see different girls nail polish designs. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Fabulous and attractive, you will see stylish girls nail polish designs. Top trending, you will see in these videos 40 plus stylish girls nail art ideas with finger ring designs. Very outstanding and very stylish beautiful girls nail polish designs. So lovely viewers, please watch my full videos and share my videos and enjoy your attractive girls nail polish designs. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends, Allah Hafiz.